Getting too many false motion alerts from your CCTV camera? Let's fix it in just 90 seconds. First, reduce motion sensitivity to low or medium. High sensitivity causes unnecessary alerts. Next, select motion detection zones manually. Avoid unnecessary areas like roads or trees. Exclude moving trees, shadows, and busy roads. These are the biggest causes of false alerts. If your camera supports AI or human detection, enable it. This filters out unwanted motion. At night, insects near IR lights can trigger alerts. Check your night vision settings. Adjust your camera angle slightly upward to avoid ground movement. Most false alerts are caused by wind, shadows, and insects. If this fixed your false alerts, hit like and subscribe for more real CCTV solutions. To avoid random camera disconnections, use reliable and tested equipment. To buy these, use links from description.